Hello everyone, this is a class on electric circuits. Today we will be dealing with some of the numericals on star delta transformation. First question, if each branch of a delta circuit has an impedance of root 3z, then each branch of equivalent Y circuit has an impedance. Given a delta circuit and we have to find the elements of equivalent Y circuit, and given that all the impedances are equal. So we know that when all the elements are equal for delta to star transformation, we have already seen in the last class that all the impedance are divided by 3 in the star connection. Okay. So here is the delta circuit. Whose elements are root 3z. We have to convert it into an equivalent star. So all the elements will be divided by 3, that is root 3z by 3, that is equal to z by root 3. So answer will be option A. Second question, consider delta connection of resistors and its equivalent star connection. If all the elements of the delta connection are scaled by a factor k, where k is greater than 0, the elements of the corresponding star equivalent will be scaled by a factor of. Okay, this is given a star circuit. We will redraw this delta connection is given. We will redraw this circuit. This is the common point. This is the delta circuit, RA, RB and RC. Now we will draw the equivalent star circuit. This is R1. First will be R1, second element is R2 and third element will be R3. So what will be R1? We know that R1 is equal to, how to find R1, delta to star connection. The last class we have discussed delta to star connection. Z1 will be, this is Z1. To find Z1, take the adjacent elements of the delta, that is ZA, ZC, divided by sum of all the elements, ZA plus ZB plus ZC. So to find R1, take the adjacent elements RB and RC. RB into RC divided by sum of all the elements RA plus RB plus RC. Now, in the question it is given that if all the elements of delta connection are scaled by a factor k, that means in this delta connection, all the elements are scaled by a factor k, that is k into RA, k into RB and k into RC. Now what will happen to this R1? After scaling, what will happen to R1? R1 will be KRB, KRC. KRB into KRC divided by KRA plus KRB plus KRC, because all the elements are scaled by K. And this will be equal to R1 is equal to, that is K1 square RBRC. K square RBRC divided by, in the denominator this will be, K will be taken as common, K into RA plus RB plus RC. K into RA plus RB plus RC. So 1K will be cancelled. We get K RBRC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. So this term will be RBRC by RA plus RB plus RC. This is what we obtained earlier before scaling. That is KR1. Okay. So we get that R1 is scaled by, R1 is converted to KR1. Similarly, R2 will be converted to KR2 and R3 will be converted to KR3. So you can see that all the elements are scaled by a factor k in the star connection. So the corresponding star equivalent will be scaled by a factor of k. That is B is the correct answer.